Good morning, baby OPOS stars. We'll be doing the beans almondine, which is a French theme with fresh noodles. Let me start the stopwatch and start with chopping the beans. Just cut out the ends. String them if you like. Now these beans do not need much stringing. Just cutting off the ends would do. The bits here are inedible, so you need to take them off. And we'll cut it using the French cut. This being a French theme, let's stay true to the spirit of the theme. Cut it like this. Like so. That is a French cut. Gives it an interesting shape and maximizes the surface area, cut surface area. Think of this as lesson 2 with a few variations and with fresh noodles. So instead of chopping beans the regular way, we are using a French cut. We are avoiding all water, adding garlic and onions. The original recipe does not call for green chilies, but I am adding them because I don't like the regular bland version. This again should be a maximum 10 to 12 minute recipe from scratch. That is done. Chilies the same way. And garlic. One whack is all that is needed to make them behave. See, they slip right off their skins. Loading should take us around 6 to 7 minutes. Cooking should take us maybe another 4 to 5 minutes. And the almonds. These are soaked almonds. You can also use almond slivers if you like. They are available ready-made and they don't need any soaking. You can just layer them straight. That's it. Just add a tablespoon of oil or butter or ghee. It's really up to you. Just ensure that the onions are separated into strands. And the garlic touches the bottom so it can brown a bit. Doesn't matter where the almonds go. Now you can add a layer of hydrated noodles on top of this, or if you like, you can make the noodles fresh. I'm going to make it fresh. I made udon a few minutes back, and I'll make regular noodles, which is a thinner version of the udon. See that it hardly takes any time. This is regular maida. Roll it thin, chop it up, layer it. That's it. It's much easier than making rotis. Just don't bother about the shape. Just roll it into a thin sheet and chop it up. They will double their thickness on cooking. Just roll it exactly like how you would roll for fulkas. As thin, dust with some flour. And then cut it up into strings. Thin or thick, depends on how you prefer it. If it's udon, you need to cut it thick. If you are aiming for a regular fast food kind of a noodles, you can cut it thin. And that's all this. Not add any salt or spices, just add half a teaspoon of salt. Layer the noodles over this. Close, cook on high. And start the plating. Clean this up. we'll prepare the garnish, which is some cheese and some lemon zest. I could have probably added the cheese along with the noodles. It's not too firm, so it won't grate too well. Let's see. Okay, that is acceptable. This is regular cheddar. You can use parmesan or whatever cheese you like, and some lemon zest. Ensure that you grate only the yellow bits. The white pith inside is bitter, so do not grate the white bit. Now this one is full of citrus oils and it's very fragrant. Just a tiny bit of it is enough to add a nice citrus flavor to your dishes. By the time you are ready with the garnish and plating, your noodles would have finished cooking. Let it go for 3 whistles. There you go. Three whistles, switch off, release the pressure. Mix in the lemon zest. In the cheese. The noodles will be very delicate now. So wait for a few minutes so that they cool down and firm up a bit, and then they'll be a lot more easier to fluff up. I don't have the time now, so I'm just going ahead. So we have some burning on the onions. Just leave that bit off, take the top layer alone. The buffer was not enough and the top layers are pressed down, causing burning. Probably we should have added 1 more tablespoon of oil. So take the top layers alone. The The lesson is pressing down onions, especially thinly sliced onions like this. You either need to increase the buffer or ensure that your onions are hydrated. Mix in maybe a teaspoon or so of water. But fortunately, this can be salvaged. Just ignore the burnt bits and remove the rest. That's it. We got most of it back. That is your beans almondine with fresh noodles. Do try this out and please post your feedback. Thank you very much.